Hey guys, welcome to this short tutorial video where I'm going to show you how to make Spotify playlist public. So whenever you create a playlist on Spotify, it will be defaultly made private, which only you can access. But if you want to make it public so that everyone can view it, you'll need to follow the process that I'm going to show you in this video. Firstly, open up Spotify. And then open up the playlist that you want to make public. After you open up the playlist, you should be able to see the three dots here. Tap on the three dots. Now on the bottom of the screen, you'll see an option for make public. If your playlist is already public, then you should see an option for make private. But if you see an option for make public, you can tap on it. As soon as you do that, you can see the lock has been removed. That means that your playlist now has been made public, which any of the friends on your Spotify can view.